Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you make money effortlessly. If you're looking for an effortless way to earn some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to supplement their income, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible platform called EarnApp that lets you make money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth and completing simple tasks. It's a fantastic way to turn your idle resources into real cash. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these amazing money-making methods. We regularly post new content to help you maximize your earnings. And don't forget to comment below with your country so I can create region-specific content just for you. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is EarnApp? It's an innovative platform that pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. This means you can earn money passively without having to do much at all. Imagine getting paid for something you're not even using. Yes, you heard that right. By simply letting EarnApp run in the background on your device, you can earn passive income without lifting a finger. It's like having a money-making machine in your pocket. It's available on PC, Android, and iOS, so no matter what device you're using, you're covered. But that's not all. EarnApp also offers a vast offer wall where you can complete tasks and earn even more money. These tasks are simple and can be done in your spare time, making it a perfect side hustle. They have some of the highest paying mobile games and a variety of other tasks that can be completed in less than 10 minutes. Imagine earning money while playing games or completing quick tasks during your coffee break. Companies looking to promote their apps, games, and products showcase their top offers here, so there's always something new and exciting. You'll never run out of opportunities to earn. To get started, all you need to do is download EarnApp and let it run in the background. It's that simple. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate, so you can start earning right away. Then head over to the Earn page, explore the offers, and start completing tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can make. It's a win-win situation. It's super easy, and thousands of people are already making money on this platform. Join the community and start earning today. You'll be amazed at how quickly your earnings can add up. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to maximize your resources and boost your income. Whether you're saving for something special or just want some extra spending money, EarnApp can help you reach your goals. Once you accumulate earnings, you can redeem your balance when it equals or exceeds $10 using PayPal or Wise, or $50 using an Amazon gift card. How cool is that? You have multiple options to choose from, making it convenient for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can start earning too. Sharing is caring, and your friends will thank you for introducing them to this amazing opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot more tips and tricks coming your way, so stay tuned, and please share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us improve our content. Thanks for watching and happy earning. We hope you find success with EarnApp and look forward to hearing about your experiences.